Additional principle. A solution to an equation is the value for the variable that makes the equation true. When solving a linear equation to find a solution, our goal is to have the variable on one side of the equal sign. Addition principle. To move a negative term, we do the opposite and we add. However, anything we do to one side of the equal sign, we must do to the other side as well. And it's very important to show all your work. So let's do an example. Example 1. The difference in lengths between two steel sheets is 32 inches. If the smaller sheet of the two is 90 inches long, what is the length of the second sheet? So we're going to use the following here. So we have x minus 90 equals 32. So we need to find what x is. And the way we can do that, as we just covered, is we can go ahead and with a negative term, we can just go ahead and do the opposite, and we're going to add. This means negative 90 plus 90 is 0. So we're left with just x on the left-hand side of the equal sign. However, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. So we need to add 90 to the right-hand side of the equal sign. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 9 is 12. So we have 122. And since this is just x plus 0 equals 122, really x is just then equal to 122. And this would be our solution. And our units would be inches. Let's do another example. Example 2. Use the equation below to solve. We have x minus 108 equals 125. So in order to solve for x and just have it only on by itself, we're going to need to move this negative term. And what we need to do is then just add 108 to both sides. This makes this 0 below. So we have x plus 0 on the left-hand side. We have to do whatever we do to the left, we must do to the right because we want to move the 108. So now 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. We can also get our calculators out just to confirm. So let's add 125 plus 108. And we get 233, so we know we did it right. Let's do another example. Example 3. Solve for n in the equation below. So this time instead of x, we're finding n. So we have 63 is equal to n minus 18. So to get n by itself on the side of the equal sign, we're going to have to add 18 to both sides. Because whatever we do to one, we do to the other. And adding 18 would then make this 0, meaning we moved it. And then we have to add the 18 to the 63. So we get n plus 0 on the right-hand side. Calculators, 63 plus 18, and we get 81. So n equals 81.